Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ingredients: hard-boiled eggs, peeled and chopped. 1/3 cup prepared mayonnaise. Celery rib, diced into small pieces. 3/4 teaspoon mustard powder or 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1/4 salt and pepper. Small radicchio or 1 small arugula leaf, washed and spun dry. 8 to 12.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can double the recipe and serve it in a bowl, or on bread to make egg salad sandwiches. This is the ultimate picnic food. In fact, I like to serve our egg salad on thick sliced bread with some fresh fruit on the side. 2 April 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.